this is one of my favourite parts of the project. We're going to be installing new interpretations throughout the whole of the main castle complex, in each of the towers and here in the Great Hall. The castle was originally constructed in the 13th century, so as you can imagine, that's many hundreds of years of history to try and get across to visitors. So what we're going to do is focus our story on some of the key people who owned the castle over the years and introduce them as historical figures to our visitors. So that includes Gilbert de Clare, the Norman lord who first built the castle back in the 13th century, his daughter Eleanor de Clare, who inherited the castle from him, and her husband, the infamous Hugh Despenser, who had a rather big role to play in the downfall of King Edward II. Then, more recently, the Marquis of Bute, who in the 20th century undertook a massive renovation of this castle, rebuilding many of the towers that we see today. Also integral to our story are people like Llywelyn ap Griffith, the Prince of Wales, who attacked this castle on several occasions, and Llywelyn Bren, a local nobleman who also assaulted the castle. And of course, the castle was on the very edge of the Norman March, so its story is very much about that battle for possession of ownership of important territories.